Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Dear students, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to make a paper cat. Isn't it cute? Would you like to do this? Let's start the activity. For this activity, we are going to use colorful pages. One green color and one color for the cat. Choose the color of your choice. Fold the green paper into half like this, and then we will cut it from the middle. Now that we have cut this paper, keep the rest of the paper on the side. Now we are going to cut paper for the cat. So fold it in vertical way into half, and now we will cut it from the middle in this side. After cutting this paper in the vertical form, we are going to use only one piece for the body of the cat. We are going to cut from these dotted lines, remove this part and cut on these dotted lines. You see, we have now cut it from the dotted line. Now fold this piece of paper a little upward, as it is going to be the tail of the cat. These are the back feet and these are the front feet. Just remove the corners from all the legs over here. Slightly curve them from the corners. We have removed the corners, and now we will turn the feet. These are the back legs, so turn it inside. The back feet will be turned inside and the front feet will be turned on the other direction, upside, like this. Now paste these feet on the paper. After pasting the body of the cat, now we have to prepare the face of the cat. For this, we will use the remaining piece of the paper. Cut this piece of paper and remove the edges and make it a little bit round. After cutting the circular shape for the face of the cat, we will cut two triangles for the ears of the cat. Now we will paste the ears on the sides and draw the face. Draw the cute eyes on the face of the cat. Draw two circles. Inside the circles, draw two small circles to make the eyes look cute and shiny. We will color the big circle, leave the small ones. Draw the nose, draw an oval shape. You can add the details in the ear. Draw the mouth. Our cat is happy. Now we will draw the whiskers on the cat's face. 3 on each side. Let us paste the face on the cat's body. Now we will use the glue and paste it. Dear students, do you know a cat is a pet animal? It likes to drink milk and eat fish. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you are also ready to make a cat with the colorful papers for you. Take good care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.